7 tips to improve your memory. 1. Include physical activity in your daily routine. Physical activity increases blood flow to your whole body, including your brain. 2. Stay mentally active. Do crossword puzzles. Read. Play games. Learn to play a musical instrument. Try a new hobby. Volunteer at a local school or with a community group. 3. Socialize regularly. Social interaction helps ward off depression and stress. Both of those can contribute to memory loss. Look for opportunities to get together with loved ones, friends and other people. 4. Get organized. You are more likely to forget things if your home is cluttered or your notes are in disarray. Keep track of tasks, appointments and other events in a notebook, calendar or electronic planner. 5. Sleep well. Not getting enough sleep has been linked to memory loss. So has restless sleep and sleep that gets disturbed often. 6. Eat a healthy diet.